Hi there! This video is here to help you calculate the area of a parallelogram. Before we start, let's recap the definition of parallel. If lines are parallel, it means that they are always an equal distance apart. Here are some examples of parallel lines. Parallel lines are sometimes marked with an arrowhead halfway along the lines, like this. If there is more than one set of parallel lines in a shape, then two arrowheads can be used, like this. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral or four-sided shape with opposite sides that are parallel. Here are some examples of parallelograms with the parallel sides labelled. Rectangles, squares and rhombuses are all types of parallelogram. To find the formula to calculate the area of a parallelogram, let's look more closely at this parallelogram. We can divide the shape into a rectangle and two identical triangles. If we were to take one of the triangles and move it to the other side of the shape like this, we can see that we have made a larger rectangle. We haven't changed the area of the shape by doing this. We can see that the length and width of this rectangle are the same as the base and the perpendicular height of the parallelogram. So we can find the area of the parallelogram by multiplying these two lengths together. Remember, it is important to use the measurement for the height of the parallelogram that is perpendicular to the base. This means the two lines meet to make a right angle, not the length of the other side of the parallelogram. We can now use this formula to work out the area of the parallelogram. 7 centimetres multiplied by 4 centimetres equals 28 centimetres squared. We can apply this formula to any parallelogram. Sometimes it can be difficult to work out which measurements to use. When you've identified two lines that meet at a right angle, it might be useful to rotate your shape so that the lines are horizontal and vertical, like this. The base of this parallelogram is 13 centimetres and the perpendicular height is 8 centimetres. So the area of this parallelogram is 13 multiplied by 8, which is 104 centimetres squared. Now over to you. Use the formula to calculate the area of these parallelograms. Pause here until you're ready to check your answers. Here are the answers. Well done if you got them all correct. If you still need a little recap, remember you can always rewind the video to see how you should have solved these. The area of these parallelograms is 24 centimetres squared. What are the missing measurements? Pause here to find the answers, remembering to check the units of measurement carefully each time. Here are the answers. The units on the second parallelogram were in millimetres, so need to be converted into centimetres so that all measurements had the same units. Well done if you got those ones correct. I hope this video has helped you to understand how to figure out the area of a parallelogram. If you still need more maths help, we have lots of these videos on the Twinkl website, so make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching.